Corporate portraits are a mix of classic lighting scenarios and editorial thinking. The object is to portray company personnel in a warm and friendly manner within the corporate setting, while showing the office space and decor to its best advantage. Splitting color temperatures between foreground and background is a frequently used technique, which tends to add warmth to the image. I like to use the furnishings of an office or company for atmosphere, including bits and pieces as I need them. I'll know, of course, who these folks are and where they're at in the corporate food chain, but it doesn't matter who or what your subject is supposed to be, as long as they are lit believably when you shoot them. Let's assume this image will be used on a company's annual report, as well as their website. I want to present our client as an able, positive, and friendly contributor to the corporation's public relations. I also want to make the image a quick read, meaning that a viewer will understand that concept within a second or two of seeing the image. For my first image, I've moved some of the office furniture into my composition so that it looks normal. Remember, your viewers will never see the actual inside of this office, but will believe that what you show them is the truth. I'll need just 3 strobe lights to make this work, and the key will be a medium 3-foot by 4-foot softbox set to camera right, because the office lamp is behind the client at camera left. I'll set a kicker, in this case a 1-foot by 6-foot strip light softbox, just behind my model. I've set the power of the kicker to plus 1/3 stop over the key to put a slim highlight along his side. I've also added another 3x4 softbox to light my muslin background. I've powered it to equal the key and feathered it across the back of the image. In order to balance the light from the table lamps to that of your set, you will have to drag the shutter. Get the shutter open long enough for an exposure to get the detail in the background lamp. Be certain there's no spill from any light onto the subject, and turn off the modeling lamps of your strobes. The best part about digital, you can see it all happen in front of you. No more Polaroids. As always, test with your equipment, but when I metered the lamp, I metered here and set my aperture and shutter speed accordingly to get the correct exposure. If you want all the light in approximately the same color temperature, either substitute daylight balanced bulbs in the desk lamps or wrap CTO gels on your key and kickers. Be sure to custom white balance for the key. It's the most important light in the whole scenario. If you happen to own strobes from different manufacturers, use the best and most consistent 1 or 2 for the key and the hair lights. Minor inconsistencies in background color, easily tolerated.